They're something that's without precedent, something that evolved, that's so unique and so exceptional that you're driven to say, why, or how did that happen? How did that come to be?
The birds of paradise are remarkable not only for their exceptional beauty and almost otherworldly appearance, but as veritable living textbooks on adaptation and sexual selection.
The females are looking at this whole package and can discern something about him by minor variation. The more complex it is, the harder it is to make it look right.